Okay, so to find this one, we have two different data sets and we want to see which of these is true. So we're comparing either the mean, the variances, the standard deviations, or the mean again. So let's find the means first for these. So how do we do that? We add them up and divide by however many numbers we have. So for A, adding them up, I have 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3. And that's going to give me 13 plus 12 is 25. And I have 5 numbers, so 25 divided by 5 is 5. So this is my mean for A. For B, do it on this side, I do the same thing. So I have 8, 11, 12, 9, and 15. Adding those up, we get, let's see, 14, 16, 17, 25, and I get 2, 3, 4, 5, 55. So if I take 55 divided by 5, that is 11. So the mean for B is 11. So first, are the means the same? No. Is the mean of data 1 greater than data 2? I think they mean data set A greater than data set B. And no, this is less than the data set. So that means it's going to be the variances are either the same or they're different. And we can calculate the whole thing, and we can find this out. So let's go ahead and do that. We already have the mean, so remember MD star. So next we find all the differences, which is, so for A, that's 6 minus 5, 2 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 3 minus 5, and I get it's going to be 1, negative 3, 0, 4, and negative 2. Then if I do square, right, S for square, then I get 1, 9, 0, 16, 4, and then take the average of them to find the variance. So if I add them all up, I get 2930 divided by 5 is 6. So my variance is 6. Right. So doing the same thing here, I'm going to get my mean of 11, so that's 8 minus 11. So I'm doing the difference step. That's 11 minus 11, 12 minus 11, 9 minus 11, and 15 minus 11. So this will give me negative 3, 0, 1, 2, and 4. Squaring these will give me 9, 0, 1, 4, and 16. And so so there's the square step. And finding the variance then, by taking the average, I add them all up. This 2030 divided by 5 is 6. So I see their variances are the same. Well, this one says the variances are the same. Well, there we go. That's the answer. And just so you can see this, the standard deviation, if I took the square root, well, obviously if I take the square root of 6 for both of them, they'd be the same also. So they wouldn't be different. So the answer is B.